From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your evening weather update.
Hey, good evening, folks. It's a pretty nice day out there, if a little bit cooler than average. Pretty interesting picture across the nation right now. The subtropical low moving inland as we head through the next 12 hours. That's what's kind of impacting the forecast locally as well. We got some cooler air coming around here. Off to our west, big severe weather event going on in Texas. They've had a heck of a few days. Thankfully, none of that in store for us and none of this in store for us. All we have is a few scattered showers popping up through this evening. Not necessarily the most widespread, but they're definitely there. Worth considering as we head through the day today. Those clear out through tonight. Wind stays out of the north. Temperatures bottoming out somewhere in the lower to mid 50s as we head through tonight and into tomorrow morning. And then as we head through tomorrow, much of the same compared to today, if not cooler and if not drier. I think that's kind of the story over the next 12 to 24 hours. Wind out of the north at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Notice these temperatures by the afternoon only hovering in the 60s in southern middle Tennessee and in the 70s in northwestern Alabama. We cool off pretty dramatically as we head through tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. We're definitely cooler than average as that system that I just mentioned off the coast pushes north with time, pushes west with time, and we get that wraparound portion of the system. That's what's impacting our temperatures. We're not going to get a washout rain system with it, but it's definitely impacting the forecast locally. Thankfully, though, it's very temporary. As we head into the beginning of the work week, we start warming right back up through the 70s into the 80s as we head into the middle and end portions of the work week. You notice how the system evolves here. It kind of lingers across the southeast here, fades out though as high pressure system takes over, and of course we're on the side that gets us that warm moist air. So we'll begin warming up here pretty soon. So as I was mentioning, tonight lows hovering there in the 50s, pretty consistent lower 50s across the area. But as we head through tomorrow, check this out. Widespread lower 70s, near 70, especially as you go further north in southern middle Tennessee, much below average for this time of year. Northwestern Alabama, you have a better shot at some warmth. Maybe one or two of us might see 80, but I think upper 70s and mid 70s is a decent bet as we head through tomorrow. 7-day forecast reveals a nice warming trend though as we head through midweekend beyond with some rain showers possible throughout, but I don't think any one particular day will be a washout.